Part 2.
Part 2 because my dad
Is in. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Your dad
so,
what?
Give it to Mommy.
Your dad's fucking awesome. Yeah, go ahead. Need some help?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, you got it.
Okay.
Wait, but we can't because our nest.
No. That's why it's so skinny. There. Now
We
you
need enough room for the.
It's not gonna go there. It's just for show right now. Just.
Are you recording? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so yeah. Look.
Go get me.
So we got it ready. You see the little light. My dad got it. So this is where all the garbage goes, and then brush roll, wheels, another wheel, and whatever that is. Okay,
That's the garbage sucker?
whatever. Okay,
Alright.
put it in. Here, just like.
Pop it in there. Oh, look at that, huh? Fuck. Thing's awesome.
So yeah, I'm gonna download the app because you have to.
Whoa. Here's the owner's guide. This is the first thing you should have been going through, buddy.
And yeah. So part 3 coming up, cause I have to pause the video.